Welcome to Math Olympiad. Let's see some of the problems today. Today we'll look at finite fractions. Okay, if you see the problems here, each one is slightly different from other. The first one is x equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus. So it is in the format where all we have is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus. Okay. Second one is you have a 1 plus extra from the fraction. Okay. Third one is instead of 1 plus in the denominators, you have all 2 plus. Okay. The fourth one is you have a 3 minus. Instead of plus, you have minus. Okay. Fifth and sixth are more generic where you have all kinds of numbers and plus and minus every kind. Okay. So let's see how to solve this general method and the easy way to solve it. Quick way, basically. Okay. Let's take the first problem. This is something like this: 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 4 by 5. Okay. How we solve normally? We look at the 1 plus 4 by 5, okay? And then you summarize this, you will get 9 by 5, so it will reverse, correct? 1 by 9 by 5 is reverse, so it will become 1 plus 5 by 9. And you solve this, you will get 1 plus 9 by 14. Then solve this, you will get 1 plus 14 by 23. Then solve this, you will get 23 by 37. This is how normally you solve such kind of finite fraction problem. Okay. So we will not do something very different from this. Only thing is we'll just put in a table and do it in a quick way. That's it. We'll do almost exactly same thing what comes here. You can compare the numbers which come below. Okay. So we know that in this whole fraction, given fraction, 4 by 5 is the last fraction. Okay. So you write 4 and 5. Okay. And then 4 by 5 has 1 plus. Correct? So you write 1 plus. Don't write plus 1. I am writing 1 plus to tell something here. Easy way to understand the problem. Each one is a 1 plus here, 1 plus here, 1 plus here. So all 1 plus, 1 plus, 1 plus I wrote. Okay. Now how to solve this problem? 4 and 5 you have. So this 5 you multiply with 1, 5 into 1. And this is a plus here. So plus previous number, that is 4. Okay. So which is nothing but 9. Now 9 into 1 plus plus and previous number is 5. After 4 it is 5, right? So 5 is 14. Okay. Then 14 into 1 plus 9. 9 is here. Okay. Third number, which is 23. And last one is 23 into 1 plus 14, which is 37. Okay. So if you see here, the number of plus in the denominator are 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put same. Okay. 4 plus and 1 plus because each one is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. Now the answer is very simple. It's this uh, third 1 plus number, that is 23 by 37. Okay. 23 by 37 is the answer. If you compare with the above general method, it is exactly same. You have first 4 by 5, then you got 5 by 9, then you got 9 by 14, then you got 14 by 23, then you got 23 by 37. Okay, which is same basically. Okay, only way you put it in the table, you don't do mistakes, and it's easy way to solve. Not only for this, you can do this for a bigger series like this, finite series, and also for different numbers, plus, minus, without any confusion, you can do. Okay, so the answer for this 23 by 37. Let's do other problems which are slightly different. So how to do apply the same method for those fractions. Okay. So y equal to 1 plus 1 by, the only difference is previous fraction is as is and I have just 1 plus extra. So this is not simple fraction, this is like 1 plus fraction. Okay. So general method is simple. We know the previous fraction how to solve. We'll get 23 by 37. Then y equal to 1 plus 23 by 37, which is 60 by 37. Right. You can do this way, but you can also solve it using the same method as before. Just extend it. So now you wrote 4 and 5, and you know how many 1 plus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 plus are there. So I wrote 5 1 pluses. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. And the same way I will solve 5 into 1 plus 4, 9. 9 into 1 plus 5, 14. 14 into 1 plus 9, 23. 23 into 1 plus 14, 37. 37 into 1 plus 23, which is 60. Now the answer is not 37 by 60 like before. Okay. Just remember, if you have any complete number, that is composite number, instead of a fraction plus, then the answer will be reversed. You take the last one and then previous one, that is 60 by 37. This is the answer. Okay. So let's apply these things for other fractions also. X equal to, now we have a difference, instead of 1 plus you have 2 plus. So what happens? What's the difference? So simple, everything will become 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 times. So you wrote 4 times and then 1 and 3, and then you will do 3 into 2 plus 1. Okay, instead of previously we were doing 1 because it is 1 plus, now it is 2 plus. So you will do 3 into 2 plus 1, 7. Then next iteration will get 15, next iteration 37, next 89. So the answer is 37 by 89 because this is simple fraction. Everything is a fraction, 1 by something. There is no 1 plus or 2 plus, correct? So answer is obviously previous number by the last number. Previous last and by the last. That is 37 by 89. Okay, let's solve some more. Okay, now we have minus. What to do with the minus? Let's see. Simple. Last 2 by 3, you wrote 2, 3. And then all 3 minus, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 minus. So 5, 3 minus I wrote. And we will solve in the same way. 3 into 3. And there is a minus here. So we'll put minus 2. 3 into 3 minus 2, which is 7. 7 into 3 minus 3. That is 18. 18 into 3 minus 7. 47. 47 into 3 minus 18. 123. 123 into 3 minus 47, which is 322. And the answer is last number 322 by 123 because it is 3 minus something. It's not a simple fraction. Okay, I hope you understand this one. If you understand this, I think rest of all are same. You can have any combination of plus minus any number you can have like that. Okay. So before that, let's solve one more simple example here. This is a simple fraction, so you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 minus. Okay, and 4 and 5 are the last numbers. Then 5 into 1 minus 4, which is 1. 1 into 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 minus 1, which is minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 minus of minus 4 you have to do. Okay, carefully you do whenever there is a minus sign. Please do it carefully. So this will become minus 1. So answer is minus 5 by minus 1 because this is simple fraction. So previous last but 1 and by divided by last one. This is minus 5 by minus 1, which is 5. I hope with this it's very clear how to do these kind of problems. Now let's do more generic fractions where you have plus and minus combined and also numbers are different. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 1 you have. So you will write same way 2 by 3, you wrote 2, 3 here. First one is 1 minus. Now this will give you a clarity. Are you writing from bottom to top or top to bottom? Now you can easily see, right? It is 1 minus first, then 4 plus, then 3 minus, and 2 plus. And you will solve it same way. Okay. And answer is, because this is a simple fraction, answer is 20 by 47. Okay. Let's solve the one more one. This is 3 minus fraction. Okay. Let's see how to do this. We have 2 by 3. So 2, 3 I wrote, and then 2 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3 minus. Now you solve it same way. 3 into 2 plus 2, 8. 8 into 1 minus 3, 5. 5 into 4 minus 8, 12. 12 into 2 plus 5, 29. 29 into 3 minus 12, 75. So the answer here is 75 by 29 because we have a 3 minus something. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much.